Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload high quality photos or videos to Instagram. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is opening our Instagram profile. So we can tap on this profile button, then you're going to tap on this three lines button on the top right corner of your screen, then tap on the settings and privacy, and on the settings and privacy you have to scroll down until you find the data usage and media quality. And if you want to upload high quality photos or videos to Instagram, make sure that you activate this feature, upload at highest quality. Tap on the toggle button, and right after you activate this feature, you will be able to upload high quality photos or videos to your Instagram. Alright guys, and that's how we can upload high quality photos or videos to Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.